Be strong.
Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where we produce videos every week to help boomers use tech. Are you looking for a new messaging app to use instead of WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger? Signal is a great option for private messaging. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Signal. The first thing you need to do is either go to your Play Store or App Store, and then you want to install it. After you have downloaded it and it has completely installed, then the next thing you want to do is you want to open it. Then it's asking you if you want to agree to the privacy. You hit continue. And then it asks you if you want to allow it to check out your contacts. You hit continue. And then allow. And then allow it to manage your calls. And then next you want to put your number in. And then hit next. And then hit OK. And now it's going to send you a text message with numbers, and it's going to put it in. Alright, then it's going to ask you to set up a numeric code, which I already have. And then you hit continue. And then it's going to ask you to put your name and that information in there. If you want to select a contact picture, you can. I choose a photo from the gallery. This has been a quick tutorial showing you how you can set up the Signal app. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching the Baby Boomers Tech Show.
Be strong.